Do you want to learn how you can start making money with your Facebook profile or page? Then watch this video to end, because in this video I'm going to be exposing to you the multiple ways that you can start making money in dollars from Facebook. But first of all, let us acknowledge what Facebook is all about. We all know Facebook. So many of us are watching this video on Facebook. Initially, Facebook was created to be able to connect people from different parts of the world, of which that goal was achieved. And now Facebook is way bigger than what we think it is. On Facebook, you can actually make money, which so many people are doing, and you out there, you're wondering, how can I make money on Facebook? If that is what you want, then stay tuned and don't go nowhere, because I'm going to be revealing and unveiling those secrets to you. So number one, if you want to make money on Facebook, you need to be able to sell your own product. Okay, how do you sell your own product? You need to run a Facebook ad, target a particular audience, age, sexes, different countries. You can target them and advertise your product to them and possibly sell to them. And then number two is, if you don't have a product, you can actually do what we call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products. So how can you do that on Facebook? You can do that. Number one, you need to have a website. Okay, when you have a website, on that website is where you will list everything about that person's product, and then you will come on Facebook also, you will talk about it, and then drive traffic from Facebook to your website, then from your website to the vendor's website where they can make purchase. And when they buy, you're going to be sharing profit with the owner of the product. It depends on your agreement with the owner of that product. Then the third one is, if you're an app developer, you can create an app, a simple app that people can download, either a game app that people can download, play games, and in the process of playing that game, they will get to a point you will want them to upgrade. And when they upgrade, that is money into your bank account. So creating an app, a simple app that people can download, can as well make you money on Facebook. So another way you can make money on Facebook is what? Through influencer marketing. Now let's say you have started a Facebook page and you have grown your followers up to 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, depending on how large you can be able to grow your audience. And when you have successfully grown your audience, you find out that companies, business people will want you to work to influence their product on your page. They will just come and meet you. Hey, can we advertise on your page? You say, okay, no problem. And they have to pay you some amount of money to advertise for them on your page. That way, you have make money as an influencer marketer. So another way you can make money on Facebook, which is what I will be teaching you today, is video publishing. In other words, we'll call it video content creation. This is what a lot of Nigerians are doing today. You see some of these comedians, you see some of these people acting short movies, you see some of these people creating comedy content, educational content, documentaries, okay, publishing them on Facebook. And this is what they keep doing until they grow their followers. So how do they make money by publishing on Facebook? They make money by allowing Facebook to place an ad in between their videos, and then if people see that ad or people click on that ad, they get to share the profit with Facebook. So the more people that get to see the video ad, the more money you are going to make. But then the last one, which there are many more ways, but this is another one, which is people grow Facebook page simply because they want to sell it. You see people, they grow Facebook page, they nurture it. When the page gets to a certain level, they sell that page to other people. Now that you have known multiple ways that you can make money on Facebook, so let me just share with you two qualities that you need to be able to attain this level. Number one is you need to be what? Patient. While creating your content, while publishing your text, uploading your videos, you need to be patient. The number two, you need to be consistent. Okay, you need to be consistent. When I say you need to be consistent, I mean you need to be consistent with dishing out content at least in a week you should publish not less than 3 videos on your page. If you can publish a videos every day, there's no problem with that. But then make sure that in a week you should be able to publish at least 3 videos. So now that you've known the qualities you need to be able to attain this level, I'm going to be sharing with you an insight, like I told you previously, that I'll be sharing with some of you how you can create videos that will go viral and generate thousands of followers without you begging for it. So here's what I do. Number one, the first thing I do is I create content around what is trending. Yes, listen to that again. I create content around what is happening. So how do you know what is trending? What I do is I use Google Trend. I go to Google and I type Google Trend. As soon as Google Trend loads, I click on it, and when I click on the Google Trend, I will land on the Google Trend website. So once I'm there, I click on this menu icon at the top. And when I click on that menu icon, I'll click on Trending Now. So when I click on Trending Now, I will see a list of keywords that are trending. Okay, now among this list of keywords that are trending, I'll pick 1 or 2 that interest me and create videos around it and then upload. Okay, that is how you can create videos that goes viral and generate thousands of followers, especially if you are a new content creator. If you are new, you don't just upload any video. You don't just upload any video you like. You need to create content around what is happening. So now I've shared with you how you can use Google Trend to find out what is actually trending. Apart from Google Trend, you can also use Twitter. You do the same. If you are conversant with Twitter, you go to Twitter, you look for what is trending, and then pick topics around there that interest you, and then create content around it. So these are basic steps on how you can create content that will go viral and generate thousands of followers for you. So now that you have known this, I want you to do something. There's a link at the top of this video which reads Mekus TV. I need you to click on that link, go and follow that page. It is my new page, and that is where I'm going to be dropping some of my new videos that is going to help you to become an expert in creating content that goes viral and that will make you money by generating thousands of followers here on Facebook. So when you click on that link, you follow and add me as your favorite, so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified that I have uploaded a video. So the next video I'm going to be posting is I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can create videos that will go viral. This is that I just show you now at the basic step, but I'm going to also be walking you through step by step how you can create videos that goes viral and generate thousands of followers. So how are you going to know when I upload this video? Is by you clicking on this link at the top of this video, Mekus TV. Go and follow me on Mekus TV, because that's where I'll be dropping my subsequent videos so that we can grow together. I hope you love this video. If you do so, I need you to like this video and share so that others can benefit, and let me know in the comment section what you'd like me to talk about in that upcoming video. Till I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Dear friend, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this wonderful video, I need you to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my subsequent videos. One more thing, go to the comment section, let me know your feel about this video, and finally share this video with whoever you think might find it interesting. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.